Hold on there. You know something like the little joke I take my mind off and something. Cut it. You're not no clothes.
It's all about clothes.
Yo, watch it. I just trouble me and trouble. Look there. That. Alright. People on the live right now. Show Matterhon. Make Matterhon show him traveling suit and look for me. Look for him to me. Let me see. Bro, you wet up. Right there. Rain up down. Mildew. Watch out. Hold on. Alright, do this and beat me. People, tell him do this and beat me. So you know if them have clothes. Because some of them artists and them not no clothes, you know. Some of them entertainers not no clothes. Hold on there. Pull your suitcase. That one in there, pull your suitcase. If something new in your suitcase, cut it. People, you come here. Then you have to go run way. Pull your suitcase. People, me go beat him. Watch it. You're supposed to have tag. Pull your suitcase, let me see a tag. Show me a tag. Show me a tag. People, now.
What's up with the Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi got COVID.
Show me a tag. But show him one tag, you know, people. Hold on. Show me a tag. Yeah, freeze up. Show me a tag. Now no close cut it. People, you see it. Him never have good service. Come cut it. Pull the suitcase. Pull it. Him all a freeze up. You see it? Him never have good credit. Cut it. End the live and join back. Let me join you back. Yo, people, we never see a man kill himself, so. The man goes some ball out, close and freeze.
Cutty up cartoons.
Good no. Watch out. The people ever say, where you do pause? Make us see the suit. No, good. Make us see a tag. Hold on. My time to talk now. No, we want to see a tag. We want to see a tag. We want to see a tag. Well, I know. Look how we go beat him now, people. You talk about tag. You see if you live out a car. Imagine you fly go one part of the world and a car you see people. And who you to one fan? Good hotel. Wait. Now go upstairs now and pull the tag. Wait. Good.
Cutty with his weave.
Good
extensions.
A 2 party, me I do a full party now. As me land. Cut it where you tag. People, where's the tag? Where's the tag? We're not going to get my room till after the party. I'm going to room. You're not in a room. We're not business. Where you tag?
We're not business.
Cut it. You know what's me there? You know me there? Me there nah fuck. Me no want a room car. Me nah fuck. I nah fuck me there. Nah fuck Virginia. Me nah fuck. While we never try to kill off your son, playing a lad and can't lad, I joke this. The boy, people, cutting off, not tag. Be a recycle clothes, the boy have the dive suitcase, watch it. I just come here for the day. By a morning, watch out. I'm going to beat him again. I don't want to show him another tag. Well, I don't want to show the boy another tag. Watch out. Tag again, you know, people. Tag again, you know. I don't want to show the boy the tag. Yo, John, I never want to show him the tag. I wait for him tag, you know. No, I can't see him tag, you know. Where they? Cut it on the tag, people. I remember one day me I travel for, and look how me travel. One day, I bring more clothes. Watch out, yo. Watch out. Tag again. Yo. Yeah, man. You know what? I'm going to lock back my bag. Cutting on the clothes, people. Him not no internet and him not no clothes. I can't deal with this. No, but big man thing, thankful to the Almighty. Give thanks to the most. Here a girl, cutting on a service. Yo, physical. Yo, Yeah, girl, cutting on a close. In not a service, but dear hotel. I know so our hotel the pool party for keeping them, but we change the address to like a rain that fall. So big up to all the people there in Virginia. Yeah. Yeah, shout out to the people in Virginia. I'm here for one night only. Yeah, to the party and then they are now for Virginia with them now. And then later, when the party are done, about 10 o'clock, then they will drive go Richmond. And then tonight, Richmond, so I have to bring my clothes to pool party now. Short, I'm going to put on like tonight. You know? Show my bird leg then. Then strange off. Go back to the hotel and freshen up one. Thanks to the Almighty God. There, we're doing it again. Where's a footer by a Lamborghini? What? Footer by a Lamborghini? I mean, footer Lamborghini upon them. Gold bench, we say, yeah? But pick up on yourself and shout out to all of the people around the world. And as we said, people don't have to stay prayed up. Look at most in a year upon the internet. Said me did it, that plane crash. Why, man, tell you. See me, physical, no, you have to stay prayed up. Well, a while ago, I fuck with that. You can't see plane and land and plane have to lift up, but I want to land. People, they not big. You know what I'm saying? You see me? What the boy cut today? I want to find cut it for me there. No, close cut it. Hey, I want it with me. Anybody can tell him, me's a clothes freak. Me just buy clothes. Down there. A woman have to buy cutty clothes. Yo, cutty don't beat you. Before I bright ball out more clothes, more people, I'm going another cigarette car. I'm kind of traumatized, you know. Wait, Valerie, I'm going to buy clothes. Valerie, traumatize me. I can't take them because eat that thing up. Valerie, I can't tell you. Them are going like say a land and me a land. Where be a planes. Well, land of Virginia, nobody in the runway. Then all of a sudden my plane a land. And when we're about for land, we're about 3,000, 4,000 feet and I go land. I see the plane that's going to shoot and shoot, come back up in the air. Then the flight attendant come on and say, oh, the pilot is going to make an announcement. I said, me 1 year. When him comes to back, the pilot come on and him said, oh, we had to make an emergency pull up because a plane was on the runway. Oh, a plane for there on the runway when we are going to land. That don't make no sense. Cut it. The people them a lick your kill you over here. No. Remember, say me did that check in a good hotel. Yeah, me know. You don't have none. You don't have none. Take care of one good hotel because you never even have Wi-Fi there. No, brother. Either me that put on for the Wi-Fi. What you mean? I need to connect to the Wi-Fi. Oh, why you want to connect to the Wi-Fi? You're supposed to use the data. Yeah, Wi-Fi. Alright, show your suitcase now. Where is the suitcase then? Where's the suitcase? What about suitcase? Never show suitcase. Show the suitcase. Cutty, show the case. Cutty, show the case. Come on. Cutty, see the people must say. Hold on, man. Let me spin around this. People, look here now. See there? The bag match. We not be bag there. People on the match. Pull the suitcase. Hold on, man. Hold on. The show the bag match. The people must say pull the suitcase. Hold on, man. Pull the suitcase. You're not bad me up. Hold on. I'm not bad you up. Pull the suitcase. All right. Next. Never show me suitcase. Show your hotel room. All right. What? Show your hotel room right now. Me never reach the dressing room yet. You have to show your hotel room right now. The dressing room is right there. Hold on. Me never reach the hotel yet. Hotel room right now. Only to show the hotel room, you come straight from the airport to the venue. Hold on. Wait till the dressing room. Watch out, people. Watch out. You see it? Remember, hey boy, you have watch and trial in your dressing room. Watch out. Watch out. Yo, you so dumb. Watch out. Fucking. Yo, watch out. Watch out. Watch out, me a bathroom. Hey boy, I want dirty venue you play. Watch out, me a bathroom. Me a wash and dry. Me can't wash all my underwear. Watch out, me a toilet. Me a toilet. No promoter can't carry me go burn, go carry me going out. And the club me reach. And the club me reach. Because the party go on now. But look here. Look here. Me a bathroom. Cut the look here. You know them bathroom here. What you not have them bathroom here, cut it. The party a go on now. The party a go on now. Show me people. The party just a go on. See this? Watch out. See this phone here? People them. The party a go on now. The party just a start. People them. Why go on with that sniper? Show me see the people them. People are coming already. What people them there? What people them there? What people them there? What people them Yo, who not the new clothes? Hey, man, go on my business, who not the new clothes? Yo, cut that reverse, man. But I don't know people. That start with Colwood. The party don't start yet. That start with Colwood. Me no business, you not pull the suitcase yet. The suitcase pull. That start with Colwood. That start with Colwood. Good. Cream walk. Hold on. Colwood now start. We want to see the clothes. We want to see the clothes. The clothes. Calm down yourself. Calm down. I start with Colwood. I start with Colwood. See? Yeah, time for it. Me and Matterhon will leave the same. And here comes the time when you hear the certain call. Well, let's do it, yes, must come. But you know, a proper venue me there. I'll bathroom there. Here, Danny said, a woman buy cutty clothes. Jesus Christ. Boy. Yes, Pinky. Boy. Oh, God. Boy. Boy. Cutty, the white pants are one press. It not press it. It not press it. It not press it. Me have me look at tag too. Yo, me have to save that life here too. Me not glad. Look at tag. Me have me look at tag. Oh, wait, me go see the tag. Zoom in on the tag. Me go see the tag. Oh, the germs have one look at tag. Yes. Me have me look at tag. Put the wall. Show me your hotel room now. Me not reach your hotel yet. Show me your hotel room. People. Big 20, no, 32 people, big 20 Matterhon. No, people, big people real now. You might just show me hotel room. So Cutty, you know me, man. You know we treat artists and select about it. You know how we treat. Yeah. You know when a reggae taking a fuck shop with a good people. Last. All of the reach hotel when we just come to the airport, I come straight to the venue. Yo, you see, people, if don't want to give me a chance to talk. All right, talk. People, what I know? Remember a big Tony Matterhon this one talk. Big dirty one. Remember a big dirty wine selector. Big dirty wine Tony Matterhon this. People, oh big Tony Matterhon. We gonna dance early. I know God because guess what? Remember I know how long I'm done. You asshole. What 2 days in a one. Alright, stop. Remember say people remember say him said the plane nearly crashed, so you know him nearly pissed up. So you know him ring right now. Room gone beard. Me can't go beard. Me can't go beard. Watch ya. Look ya. Me can't go beard. Look ya. Me can't go beard in my bathroom. Look ya. You want beard now? You want beard now? I club this minute. Big Tony Matterhon. Big Tony Matterhon beard. I'm a star. You don't look that superstar. Me can't be. Cutty, you can't do this. You can't do this there. What in your hotel? Turn on the washing machine. Me can't wash all the clothes. Alright, what's that on? You can't do this in your place. The dear water them. The dear water. Do this and beat me. The dear water them. Me can't go in blood clot.
Life water.
Watch out. Me can't relax. Me alone. Watch out. Don't cry. Won't cry. Cut it. I one coach, yeah. Watch out. Me have two coach. Me have two coach. Watch out. Oh, yeah, me have no, big woman thing. Yo, God, no one. Me have two coach. Yeah. No, but watch out. See our next coach.
The stage cut. Just me a stage cut. Cutty beat.
Me have two big coach. Watch out. Me have two big coach. Watch out. Me have TV. Me have TV. In my bathroom. I'm not just here. You can't say one thing and then watch out. No, more say one thing and then watch out. Let me just say one thing and then stop. I'm not just here. Say people, this is big Tony Matterhon the whole I will look up to. So right now, all you know for me as a selector now, I'm going to be in the club bathroom. Big Tony Matterhon be in the club bathroom. What kind of show you say? Them have you all a bathroom for me till me reach. What kind of example man the pussy in a hotel? Why? Big Tony Matterhon, you can't set the example for people. Talk the truth. You know what I say? Big Tony Matterhon in a hotel. No, cut it. Here we go now. You switch back the party here. Guess what? The party that keep in that hotel, you know. But look here, you know what's funny? The party I keep in that hotel, but rain the up there, so you see no rain no down there, so the man them just move at the same time. So we just come straight here. Yeah, one thing matter and no people can find bomb. Hey, a good thing you have blood clot tag. Some selector travel. Hey boy, JR. I talk to Chromatic, I want to talk to Ricky Platinum and Dotty, know of them.
Yeah.
If we can't travel and go some pop out to the talk same time, we don't want soon. All clothes on our wear. All clothes government, to no stink. Any selector artist, we can pull up and say, watch out, I suit you a match, watch out, cut it. I'm supposed to pool party, you know. So we go, new shorts. We go, shirt for match. And we go, Air Force One for match. Blood clot, me can't cut you, can't dress like me. Look for the blue. Look how it match up. Hey, dirty boy, you can't dress like me. Yo, hey. Yo, hey, me killer man. Yo, well, I'm on the for the level where I go say, yo, how much to come to Bahamas? We want it to play in Bahamas and we make you play in the bathroom outside. Yeah. Cut it. Yeah, striker, they mash me up. Stunner. After I go and bring my shots, we just go buy shots. You know me, I go bring it back, cut it. Because it's not about to keep it in pool, in that club, we can keep it. I buy shots, set. I say, yeah, I'm going to look sexy for the drunk with them. Kill a fella. After I go buy the shots, cut it. But you know, I'm not going to sell it back because I remember summertime now. We're going to get a pool party. I just buy my suit, you know. I said, you know, a pool party. Pool party. If I even
the beach at the reach, summertime. Ha ha. There you go.
God did tell us anybody to take spirit. No, Cutty. Let me tell you something. You see, big man thing, a good thing, a spirit me take a while ago, because them have the new plane them. You understand? Cutty, and this, alright. Let me show you what happened in a little while. You land, and the man go land, and him just go so. And shoot up back. I swear to God. The plane almost land. When you look out, the ground they low. So you can't make a piece of money, man. Make a piece of money after nothing never happen. No, what you mean? Stress out. My heart hurt me right now. Yo, video me, I'm stressed out, people. I'm stressed out. Want to video me? I'm stressed out. I'm traumatized. We have foreign a line up on grass. I'm traumatized. Yeah. People, they know what class is people. Man in a hotel room. Jesus. Cut it. If me in a hotel room, my dressing room in a club look good. Man, hear me I say, put the promoter up on the phone. Promoter. Yo, Dan, the boy cut it. I thought, well, put the promoter up. Yes, the next time when him come back, go no. Cut it now. I went to punch them, run up and down rap with you. Cut it now. You have to come back down here, you know. You look already. Him book, when am I coming down? July. Last class. Make him stay at the airport, mama.
Make him stay at the airport.
I would be way outside and make him a cuss. And I said, boom, blood. You know what I mean, sir, right? I'm policeman. The blood. What you ever do your blood clot? Hey, yo, we're going to send him around one of the Yankee them. You know one of them?
Yeah.
Big breast Yankee girl them. But like, Cutty, I'm cooking some beans and grains. And that's how I bring you go. Run a mama B.
Mama B. Wait.
Which part they know, Cutty?
Yeah, Atlanta.
Oh, Atlanta?
Yeah.
You know, you're a footer by a Lamborghini. I don't see people must buy you.
Footer by with Lamborghini.
Yeah, Nashin tell me, Nashin. Hold on. Cutty, hang up there. Let me chat to Nashin. I'm not chat to him from one day. Go in there. Nashin. Oh, Nashin there. Fire lad. Them wicked Nashin. What? A good thing me up. Nashin, a good thing me up me tap them. Boy, Cutty try beat for bad. What go on fire lad? Nash. You can't hear me? Me not hear Nashin.
Our only plan is...
End the live, Nashin. End the live and let me join you back. End the live. Let me join you back. Because me not hear you. Me not hear you. Me not hear you. End the live.
Now she never did say what happened to him.
But me can't hear you. Hold on there. I want the rest. I think... hold on there.
I ain't feeling this sugar, the cereal. Even with the goddamn sugar, it still tastes awful.
You can't hear me?
I know it's supposed to be green.
Nashin, hang up. You can't hear me now? You can't hear me? Tell me if you can't hear me. I'm going to find back Nashin. Oh, Nashin have no audio, though? Alright. I'm going to see if I find back Nashin. Nashin just cutting up fast. I'm going to do my cigarette. Yeah. Nashin.
What go on?
The boy Cutty try beat me. After me nearly crashed in a plane, the boy Cutty try beat me. The fucker lucky. The fucker lucky him have 2 tab clothes in his suitcase. Nashin, you not tell him so. You not tell him so we don't play them something there. All one day we have 3 suits.
I wonder if he's still in a wheelchair. Or can he walk?
Yeah?
Bro, you're a big man.
No, you know, I said, be a my friend, I saw brought jokes away.
I wanna look at your back for.
Yeah? My cigarette now.
Race, fuck off. You see, that man tell you, fuck off. Me never got chatting with you in a race.
Shane bar step. Shane, my boy man.
Yo, it's alright, man. You don't bring me a virgin and no more trouble. Mash up the thing. Try no say the...
You don't say virgin now. No, Nashin, the man say, if just here, because enough of them don't know you to know Nashin. You see the next post one here? Yeah. Make body know say, yeah, you're good. You remember say, I worry for people call me too, you know.
Alright, dog, again, man. What the post that you make me do? What? Man, understand. What that?
Yeah?
What you mean?
You know, the post where you play, the dance where you play.
I've been checking you say here.
Make if a couple people ask me, I say, well, it's better already, you know. I never even know say ready yet. And when me see the dance with them, I say, oh, I'm get a Red Bull.
Foot I say, yo, I impose beat him, I make beat him, I get back in visa.
Oh shit.
Sign for you.
He never post me. me. You never post me.
More talk to Cutty, you know. Because Cutty have move like Beanie Man. Oh, Cutty here gets so now. Cutty have an extension.
Adim, come to water team.
You don't know. Instagram, them fucked up. I can't add 3 people. My pussy. From pandemic, them fuck me up. Them say, that dirty man. No one.
Yeah, you go so the people up too much.
No one. Them say that no close. Cut it says on me.
Listen, no, free. Cut it though. Cut it. Seriously, cut it. Seriously. Last year, when me in the hospital and recover, me see I have short here with S-Curl and them.
Yeah, I never see him. The my nigga bread. Where him get my nigga bread from?
Tell us something, man. Don't follow too much bomber clad training in my you because what about with that now? With them two or something, they have people
you know like the dirty rash them. With like, yo, I'm in a family there. We think they're cut off set.
I call them name, brother. I'm yeah, coming in. The man who try blood clot is so young and keep up with the Jones. Take out that dude or something out the head, cut him, man. You have big select.
Yo, the man is the cutting the back. The man replace Migos with that good. Cut Migos. The man named Cutty full step. And I asked him, Cutty full step.
Well, I can't deal with that, brother. I can't deal with something, bro. You see me? The man,
yo, Cutty. Later on in the dance, run out like blood clot. I said, oh, Cardi B, I need my child support. Motherfucking.
money for we take back some money for them blood clot too. How the fuck you feel like?
Hey, Cardi say, what? That pussy all dead. Come on, go suck your mama.
Suck your mother.
Him stick like boy more try support money. He moved with the blood clot. Oh, I mean, Cardi done him. Cardi clot. I said, pussy.
I pray. Shit, yeah, what you want? You know what Cutty has said?
Yeah, Cutty, me. Here the boy Cutty about me, I play for clothes. Nasheen, I can't play for clothes, I bring my clothes. Nasheen, the boy have one, him bring me alone and no clothes. Here a girl. Smell put when they find no clothes.
Shit.
Yo, but we don't want fire. But when him just come a foreign, when him a play a fire sound, I think a fire sound, no, fire sound and I play Coppershot. When him just start play Coppershot and him just come America back in the days.
It's not alone.
We used to fire Mondays. The man is a fuck for clothes, brother. Be a 300-pound girl, 400.
Yeah, he did.
Be a 400-pound girl, up the brother. You understand me? Yeah. Because the guy didn't get paid to Cutty them time. Them time, you know, he didn't get paid. Yes.
The first time when Cutty come apart, but you know, the man Cutty have fuck for clothes.
Forces come up on Mondays every Monday.
That's him. Tell the boy that saying I will build more days. What we got? Carl Canai, Morris Malone. And we got long bit.
Matty, you couldn't dress back in the days, Matty. You couldn't dress back in.
Yeah,
brother, you couldn't dress back. You start par around, you know, you come to Florida. We start telling you say you have to make sure the pants them get a little bit tighter. Be a big clothes and you have firelings so you couldn't dress better. Be a
big clothes I used to wear. Now she have a picture with me, your pants big so.
At Avis, our only plan is to make sure you...
Avis, shut up. We asked, boy. Oh.
I'm idle, you know. Nothing. Up to this day, no boy no look like me in a suit, you know. You know that, you know.
No.
Remember that me introduced to Zara. I me introduced to Zara.
Good. And me introduce so let us do it. When the sun goes good. Not see the door when the sun goes up. After two months, them says Jesus Christ.
My legs could have them last half here. In the last half, they start just they could have just
Man, Clark. Man, I'm just cut it up for clothes. Yo, Nashi, you're the one killer fella. A 2 year ago to find it. No, killer fella, him hot. Killer fella, big up yourself. Them man there, I go one baby shower. And only person me know. The man I got one baby shower. And the man said, what kind of baby you have, my girl? And she said, one boy baby, and killer fella does so boom. I'm going to mall. And go so. I said, give me a blue Gucci. Here Gucci people, come suck, we don't make blue. Here man, give me a blue Gucci and a Gucci more, we got a baby shower, you know. Yo, when them say, killer fella go so. And I go on wedding, and the people them say, our wedding is gonna be all white. The man was going to Louis and said, Louis, wanna come suck me? You want a white belt? A white shoes? A white belt? Them man are different. Them man are say, yo, if I don't brand me now, wear it. Them man are bad. No, I saw killer fella stay, you know.
For years, it stays so. For years, too.
And the only man me know was stay so. I say, yo, what kind of man this man? Man, with the Virginia.
One thing in up, Maggie. One thing about, yo, you see what all I legend them can't go around the thing selling them our youth.
Them not no wings. You don't see a Red Bull me a drink. And
every week, I like it. Yeah.
But guess what? You know what 2 party me I do tonight?
For real?
I got rich man after that, so.
Buck, Maggie.
God, I was supposed to be a pool party, but I be a rain a fall. You know, be a rain a fall from Florida come right up.
Yeah,
but yes, what? The sun out. The man that moved the party come down there, so.
Ah.
Yeah, so when we done there, so see people are rolling. Yeah, man, I have to pull up.
Yeah. Now, Maggie, you do it still as a legend. You do it after your blood clot props coming to give man flowers.
Yeah.
When I wait till you're dead, Maggie, you hear that? They must say I want to get done.
Well, you know, see me have to give you flowers, what do you want me to see you come out?
You can't give up. Brother, you come out. You're my teeth.
But I'm give you props. Me say, Jesus Christ, the done come out. Here a girl. Remember saying to give me one foot, never kick my foot. Here them dog up.
Yeah, I thought about you come out in the pet no bismal. The pet no bismal, the pink, you talk about no?
Yeah. You know, see the white cutty, a pink cutty I got today, no?
Pink is mauve. Okay? Mauve.
Yeah, mauve.
Yeah, that's what it is.
But big up on yourself, because I hold a beard in the bathroom in so and change up. Got the chupa chalupa. What are they? Machine. See the boy chupa chalupa. People you have couple selector will fuck for clothes. Chupa chalupa. Them fuck for clothes.
Yeah, the boy chupa. Every time they play one dance and fuck for a new outfit, the man come for Instagram. I talk about fresh paint.
Yo, killer fella. When Cutty come over England, just get him two of the girl them and tell them so just give him a fuck and give him 2 suits.
Yeah, they're good.
Big up the selector them. No, you have selector we play for food, you know. You have selector we play for food, you know. We say, yo, promoter, give me a barbecue chicken, you know. And you have the selector them will fuck for clothes. They play for clothes.
Yeah.
So big up Noah Power. You notice Noah Power always go like a big clothes in play for. Cut them.
Trinity C say Trinity C ain't fucking Trinity C said that fucking dick was big as hell.
The boy,
I mean, no.
fire stick
And
stealing.
Trinity C
I be a
fucking
blood clot
suck.
sneakers.
Trinity
And
C
the girl that fuck him and give him be a
gave
sneakers.
Cuddy
Give
some
him a sneakers to
clothes
kill.
for his
And
daughter
if you
and
sneaker
for
kill,
him.
steal it, move your
I know
blood
that for a
clot.
fact.
Yeah, girl. Steal it. I want about my sneakers, them.
And she said that dick was big as hell. She couldn't even take it.
It fuck for sneakers. Boy, steal it from Canada paper. Yeah, steal it.
Fuck for
Every time when you
sneakers.
see me, I one of the uppers, them and the down, them a fucking fuck feet. Be a sneakers, stealing fuck fuck.
Oh,
One time
shit.
a girl said, Steenie, I want to give you 3 grand, eh? Here, Steenie. Hey, girl, you hear some sneakers. Steenie, my brother, big up.
Man, with the street, here, bro. Just go and fuck it up later, you see me?
Yeah. Roll refresh, big up yourself.
I will soon catch up, bad bro, here.
Yo, killer fella, you need to talk about it tonight. The selector them.
That
The
fuck
selector
for
them when they're in
clothes.
England. We are blood clot play for clothes. Them stink like.
They stink like.
You have some selector in England that talk about, yo, promoter, give me a Primark gift card.
That's what I think we know, bro.
I'm a killer man. I'm not dead. Yeah, big up yourself, two Pachalupas at Atlanta, you know. If see one girl, you know, I'm my father DJ, you're the girl. I was slim you DJ for my father, come suck me. Him ball out, boy.
Yeah.
I'll be a fucking one magic one with it over you.
So I big up yourself. Yo, big up everybody bless up and you don't know, not shame. More life, you know, more blessing, my brother. Glad to see you. You're there back in the thing, you know?
Yeah.
You're ready, I know. Promoters, the fire lord, him ready.
Not the cheap ones though, please. No cheap promoters, please.
No cheap promoter. Cheap promoter, you can go to Cutty, you
Yeah.
can give him clothes.
Give him clothes. Oh, shit.
One super castle.
Where is it? That shit? Strike a big up yourself. Here what? Yeah, a meet and greet I'm gonna do right now, people. I'm gonna change my clothes and meet and greet and yo, big up on yourself. Stay in the whole team. Big up on yourself. Trinidad, Georgetown, Guyana. Alright, big up on yourself, people.
Big up, Maji. Wait, that was a good one.